Today we're very happy and very excited to welcome 19 companies onto Glion campus for our very first recruitment day. Some of the companies that we have arriving this morning are Fairmont Montreux Palace, Disneyland, Paris, Hyatt International, IHG China, Rotana Hotels and Resorts, so from all over the world, really, so a few different companies.
We think this is the good opportunity for the student that they can meet the company from all around the world in the one day, and then they can start to make the networking with the company to get the connection for the future.
A lot of the students are taking interviews this afternoon, making the most of all these great companies on campus to really get to know them, network, have interviews, see the presentations, and they can really have one-on-ones with the interviewers in set sessions, but they can also walk around and meet the different companies who are available here.
It's not just for the interview, but most important part is we get a chance to engage and also get more understanding about your students, which is also important to us, and give them some career development suggestions, and also we can help them to do a career path.
We love these recruitment days. For us, it's a way to stay connected with the schools, with the students, and for us to present ourselves as a company. I mean, we really support this fully. It's not only about the recruitment. I think it's about the partnership, the relationship to the next generation that is coming into the marketplace.
We think it's a great experience to be able to meet the students, have a direct contact to understand what they're doing, what are their ambitions, and how, as an employer, we can best suit their needs.
Which is good for us. It saves us time. It's one time and one place. So we come here, we meet a group of students from your particular school, but it also gives us an opportunity to connect with the faculty, the students, and even our competition, direct competition and indirect competition also. So it's all about creating connection.